Yeah, hello friends. Yeah, welcome to Humanogy Facebook Live edition. Yeah, it's like diagonal, right? Like in geometry, mathematics. Okay. Yeah, that very diagonal, like that. Okay. Sure, sure. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to Friday night. My Humanogy Facebook Live edition. Okay, so we will check out some YouTube videos together and make some video commentaries. Okay. Sure. Welcome. Happy Monday. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, how nice. Yeah, happy December. Sure. Yeah, yeah, holiday season. Happy holidays. Sure. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, let's check out some more about this camping in the rain, right? Like, I mean, when it snows, yeah, yeah, we can brush off snow. They are frozen snow, okay. But when it rains, camping in the rain, yeah, the wet water. Uh, it could be more challenging, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hmm? Yeah, camping in the rain. Let's check out more scenes there. Yeah, we check out some scenes like yesterday, last night. But we also more okay. Yeah, camping in the rain. How to get, how to keep dry. Uh, Yeah, I mean, camping in the snow, we can brush it off, dust it off, right? Because it's like ice. Yeah, it's solid. Okay, but when it comes to rain, it's water, liquid. That's more tricky when I had to light a fire in the rainy situation in the jungle. Right? Yeah. Let's check out some more scenes there. Camping in the rain. Hmm? To keep dry, that's more challenging because yeah, you can not just brush off the rain water because that's uh water that's not like snow. We can brush off snow, but water it gets very wet. It kind of penetrates right to the clothings, skins. More difficult situation actually. Huh? Yeah, let's hit this one out. Okay, sure, sure. Camping in the rain. How to keep dry. How to keep warm. Right? Yeah, sure. Yeah, in zoo. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Here we go again. It's
Okay. Yeah, survival skill very important, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go. How to keep warm during the summer, spring, autumn. It's not winter, okay? It's not snowing, it's raining. Water that penetrates, like skin and clothing get wet. We need to keep dry. We do not want hypothermia. Right? We need to survive rain in camping situation in the forest, in the woods, jungles, okay? Yeah. Yeah, let's learn from them, okay? In YouTube, instructional videos. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Yeah. Wooden stove. Yeah, nice. Yeah, yeah. How nice. How therapeutic, right? Yeah. Very therapeutic. Interaction with nature. Therapeutic. Oh yeah. That's nice. Also learn martial arts, okay? When you're out there alone, you have to learn martial arts, okay? Yeah. dew, morning, I guess. Yeah, nice, beautiful. Moss and plants, yeah, that's nice. Birds singing, beautiful, yeah. Camping gear, right? Yeah, nice, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. So therapeutic, right? Yeah. Interaction with wild nature. Beautiful. Yeah, tarp, plastics. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I don't know what country it is from, okay? Maybe America, Canada, Europe, I don't know, okay? Doesn't matter. You love all countries, okay? Yeah, we love Middle East, Asia, Africa. We love all countries, okay? Yeah. We love everybody. In human school, it's about love, okay? Understanding, appreciation, education, okay? Yeah, we learn from everybody, okay? Yeah, TP style, kind of American Indian style, I guess. Okay. Yeah, we learn from everybody. Yeah. Yeah, building a shelter to protect from rains, like elements, insulation. Yeah, put some roof over the top of your body. Yeah. So that you don't get too wet, okay? In case it rains. Yeah. Very important. Yeah. Waterproof. Yeah. Like thatching back in the days. With dry grass, yeah. I learned about that too, okay? Yeah, nodding, yeah, nice. Ropes and threads, yeah. Yeah, like topology mathematics, yeah, they study some of that stuff too, okay? Yeah, so folding, right, in biology, yeah. DNA, yeah. Protein folding too, okay? Yeah. You can relate to that, yeah. How nice. Yeah, some company logo, that's cool. Yeah. Great professional companies. Yeah, you appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, we support industry. Yeah. Hardworking inventors and yeah, great people. Yeah. Yeah, factory workers, employees, yeah. All amazing people, okay? Yeah. Great people, yeah. Who run the world, right? Yeah. How nice. So therapeutic, right? Oh. Like Magic Bison, Magic Scene, like Charlie Chaplin scene, okay? Okay. Yeah, I remember. Taken days, right? Yeah.
The Travel Tuesday sale to Down Under is now on at Qantas. Hurry, sailings to...
Okay. Yeah, some commercial advertisement. Yeah, I don't have copyright for that, okay? So, but yeah, we love Australia, we love New Zealand, okay? Yeah, they're Oceania, they're fantastic, okay? Yeah. Hmm? Yeah, we appreciate YouTube advertisers. Yeah. Oh yeah. We support commerce, okay? Yeah. Yeah, let's continue. Sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah, very metallic, okay? Wooden stove, okay? With metals. Nice, yeah. Good combination. Yeah, French style, old school. Okay. Then I use lighter, okay? Okay. Yeah, I'd rather use lighter because I smoke cigarettes, okay? So, yeah, old school, yeah, Flint. Yeah, that's fine. I appreciate that. Old school, okay? Yeah, very triangular, pyramid style, yeah, two-piece style, yeah. Like American Indian style. Okay, yeah, like cool, yeah. Maybe Greek style too, like conic section, right? Yeah, geometry. Yeah, cool. Nice. Glassware, okay. Yeah, some rice and meat and vegetables. Nice. Yeah. Cooking, yeah. You know, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of Hollywood style, okay? A little bit Hollywood, okay? Yeah. No film, but that's fine, okay? Yeah, nice rice, okay? Okay. Carbohydrate, rice. Yeah, nice. Vegetables. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, yeah. I appreciate that. Yeah, yeah,
I'm Cody, and I'm a petroleum engineer with ConocoPhillips Alaska.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, comment there advertisement. Yeah. We will support that, okay? Yeah, we do. Okay? Okay, I'm not sure where they are filmed, but the guy looks like white guy, okay, so maybe America, Canada, Europe, I don't know, but we love blacks, whites, browns, we love everybody, all races, genders, all ages, okay, but yeah, this guy, this is very cool, okay? Yeah, sure. Let's continue. Yeah. Yeah, maybe sponsored by nice company. Yeah, that's fine, okay? It's all cool, okay? Yeah. Company sponsorship, that's fine, okay? Yeah. Yeah, we love companies, okay? It's all cool. That's all good, okay? Yeah. Yeah, very educational. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, we love commercial advertisement. We love companies, okay? They're great, okay? Yeah, they're cool. Great production. Yeah. Yeah, very crisp cinematography. I love this. Yeah. It's nice. I like this. Yeah. Yeah, fully artist. Yeah, sound effect, effect. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, 3 branches. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Survivor, right? Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, chopping the woods, right? Yeah, plants, woods, trees. Yeah. Yeah, keep the fire going, right? Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah.
Picture this. Saving up to 10% when you bundle your home.
Oh, yeah. Wooden stove. I don't know where they are. They may in Canada, America, Europe. I don't know. But it looks like a white guy. But we love black people, white people, brown people. We love everybody, okay? So, yeah, but I do not know where it was filmed, okay? We're in Canada, America. I have no idea, okay? It was very well filmed, okay? So let's continue, okay? I'm intrigued, okay? Yeah. Well. Yeah, we love all genders, races, ages, okay? We love everybody, okay? In human school. Yeah, this happened to be like young white guy, I guess. Okay? Yeah. How's this nice guy, okay? He's fine. Yeah. Knowledgeable. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, very artistic. Yeah, appreciate that. Yeah, framing. Yeah, I'm an artist myself, so I appreciate. Yeah, artist. Okay, framing. That's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, nice.
opportunity of a lifetime. Get Max for $2.99 a month for 6 months.
Okay, so yeah, I got this that's about it. Okay, so yeah, my friends. Okay, yeah, we appreciate all the professionals there. Okay, so hardware store and also just like wonderful. Okay, also yeah, hardware. We appreciate hardware. Okay, like X, carpentry, mechanics. Okay. We also appreciate software store, okay, like VDF, the best video uploader for Facebook Live, okay, so, yeah, huge fan, okay. Thank you for software engineers, hardware engineers, carpenters, also computer programmers, okay. Amazing computer science, also, yeah, also a lot about carpentry too, okay, hardware, software, okay. We love everybody, okay? Thank you. See you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, we love software, hardware, like mechanics, carpenters, woods, metals, masonry, like stones, right? Software side, yeah, computer programmers, software engineers, okay? And business people dealing with numbers, okay? Desk job. We love everybody, okay? Thank you. Yeah, see you tomorrow. How nice. Okay? Yeah, we love hardware, software, middleware. We love everybody. We're good to humanology, okay? Thank you. Yeah. My profession is, yeah, love martial arts, education, quality development, okay? Thank you. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah.